Finding the best tripod for camera can transform every shot into something truly unforgettable. Whether capturing family memories, travel adventures, or professional content, the right tripod brings confidence, stability, and creative freedom. A reliable camera tripod helps you focus on perfect moments, making every photo and video look sharp, smooth, and beautifully professional. Number 1. Acer Gadget Auto Face Tracking Tripod. 360 degrees AI face tracking, no app needed. The auto tracking tripod instantly recognizes and follows your face or body, keeping you perfectly centered in the frame. It automatically adjusts the shooting angle, making it a must-have tool for content creators, video recording, live streaming, and vlogging. Selfie stick with remote control features advanced gesture recognition. Make an OK sign to start and an open palm to pause. It responds like a robot to your commands. The detachable remote allows for one-click shooting, ideal for hands-free remote photography. Optimal working distance, 0.5 to 5 meters. Selfie stick tripod with ring light includes a detachable mini ring light with 3 color modes: warm, cool, and natural, to enhance video quality in low light. Whether in dim settings or bright outdoors, it delivers perfect lighting for stunning photos and videos. Versatile shooting modes designed for content creators, it transforms into a selfie stick, desktop tripod, floor stand, or handheld stabilizer. Compact and foldable, it's highly portable and features a built-in fill light. The integrated 1/4 inch screw supports cameras, GoPros, and ring lights. Stable quadpod made of durable aluminium alloy, this phone tripod extends up to 64.4 inches, 163.5 centimeters, yet folds down to just 13 inches, remaining lightweight for easy carry. Its unique quad-foot design ensures superior stability when fully extended, preventing slips for rock-solid shots. Superb stability and anti-shake. The 360 degrees rotating gimbal stabilizer eliminates unwanted shakes and movements, delivering ultra-smooth footage. Capture every moment with precision and clarity, no matter how dynamic the scene. Explore creative angles to add cinematic flair to your content. Number 2. Selfie Stick Extendable Selfie Tripod Stand. All-in-one selfie stick tripod. This is a nifty piece of kit. Not only a selfie stick but can also be converted very easily into a phone stand. At the bottom end, you can release the 3 legs to get a tabletop tripod. In normal conditions on a flat surface, the shorter it is extended, the more stable it will be. A nice steady balanced tripod for convenience of hands-free selfies and fast time video calling. Extendable and foldable selfie stick. The selfie stick, thanks to the hidden retractable design, it is extremely compact when folded up, only 7.64 inches, 19.4 cm, 150 grams, very light to carry. Fits perfectly in a handbag, ready to use whenever, but also can extend a long way, to 41.73 inches / 106 centimeters including the handle, and let you capture selfies with a larger field of view, great for selfies, group photos, FaceTime, live vlog, video shooting, social life, etc. Detachable remote control. The selfie stick comes with a battery-powered button. The button clicks out of the handle with a little push, to switch on and make the unit visible to the phone via. It's as simple as holding the remote button down for a few seconds and the selfie stick appears and is ready to connect. And once connected, and open the phone camera app to use it to take a selfie. Number 3. Selfie Stick Tripod All-in-One Extendable. Extendable and foldable selfie stick. The Selfie Show selfie stick, thanks to the hidden retractable design, it is extremely compact when folded up, only 7.6 inches, 19.4 cm, 155 grams, very light to carry, fits perfectly in a handbag, ready to use whenever, but also can extend a long way, 40.6 inches, 103 cm, and let you capture selfies with a larger field of view, great for selfies, group photos, FaceTime, live vlog, video shooting, social life, etc. Multi-purpose selfie stick tripod. This is a nifty piece of kit. not only a selfie stick but can also be converted very easily into a phone stand. At the bottom end, you can release the 3 legs to get a tabletop tripod. In normal conditions on a flat surface, the shorter it is extended, the more stable it will be. A nice steady balanced tripod for convenience of hands-free selfies and fast time video calling. Adjustable angle and rotatable phone holder, 360 degrees rotatable phone holder and 235 degrees rotation head allow you to find your best photo angle freely by simply rotating the angle. The camera angle is wider and the composition is more diversified. Suitable for family gatherings and friends reunions, trips, hiking, travel, camping, sports activities such as snowboarding, skiing and surfing, snorkeling, no matter indoor or outdoor activities. Number 4. Selfie Stick 4-in-1 Extendable Phone Tripod. Extendable and portable selfie stick. Selfie stick phone tripod is designed the hidden retractable design. Can extend a long way, 26.45 67.2 centimeters, let you capture with a larger field of view, great for selfies, group photos, video shooting, social life. It is extremely compact when folded up, only 7.28 18.5 centimeters, and a weight of 121 grams. You can easily pack it in your backpack and take it with you wherever you go, making it the perfect travel companion. It's ideal for outdoor multi-purpose selfie stick tripod. This is a nifty piece of kit, not only a selfie stick but can also be converted very easily into a phone stand. At the bottom end, you can release the 3 legs to get a tabletop tripod. In normal conditions on a flat surface, the shorter it is extended, the more stable it will be. Perfect for selfies, photography, video recording and content creation on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Adjustable angle and rotatable phone holder. Cell phone tripod. Empty mobile phone holder adopts 360 degrees rotation and a 225 degrees elevated and overhead shots designed to help you quickly find the best shooting angle to get the composition is more diversified. Allow you could take photos, video call or live broadcasting. The phone clip is equipped with soft silicone and protect your phone or devices from scratches or falls down. Suitable for family gatherings and friends reunions, trips, etc. Number 5. Selfie Stick Tripod for iPhone and Android. Wide compatibility for most phones. Wide compatibility for most phones. This phone tripod fits most smartphones with a holder width of 1.96 to 3.34 inches, including iPhone mini, iPhone Max, and Android phones. The adjustable clamp supports both vertical and horizontal shooting, making it a practical tripod for iPhone, selfie stick for Android, and everyday cell phone tripod. 2-inch-1 selfie stick tripod. 2-inch-1 selfie stick tripod. Use it as a handheld selfie stick or open the tripod legs for hands-free shooting. It folds down to just 8.8 inches, 22.5 centimeters and extends up to 35 inches, 89 centimeters, giving you flexible angles for selfies, group photos, video calls, live streaming, and social media content. Compact mini travel tripod. Compact mini travel tripod, designed for travel, daily use, and content creation. This lightweight mini tripod easily fits into a backpack, purse, or suitcase. The compact folded size makes it easy to carry for trips, family gatherings, outdoor photos, video recording, and on-the-go shooting. Bluetooth remote for hands-free shooting. Bluetooth remote for hands-free shooting. The detachable wireless remote lets you take photos or videos from a distance without touching your phone. Ideal as an iPhone tripod for video recording, vlogging tripod, phone tripod stand, or travel selfie stick for solo shots, group photos, and everyday videos.